Hi guys, this is Sarva. In today's video, we will talk about T-shirt size estimation in software development using Agile methodology. We will also talk about what is effort estimation, what are the estimation techniques, and also in particular T-shirt size estimation. So what is effort estimation? In simple terms, right, by definition, effort estimation is the process of forecasting how much effort it will take to develop or maintain a software application. Very simple, right? Basically, we are forecasting how much effort it will take to develop an application or to maintain an application. This is as simple as that. In traditional world, effort used to be calculated in hours, days, or months. Even today, whoever is following the traditional model. Right. So if you ask a project manager or a delivery manager in the IT industry to come back with the estimation for a particular project, giving the requirements, that person will go back and come and tell you that it would take 500% days. So there are various techniques used to calculate how much effort it would take. Function points used to be one of the popular techniques. In the Agile world, story points are used, and the techniques used are T-shirt sizing and also planning poker. Before we jump into T-shirt size estimation, it is important to understand a few terminologies because those terminologies will be used when we talk about T-shirt size estimation. What are those terminologies? Epic, feature, user story, and story points. Let's go through them one by one. If you have not subscribed to my channel till now, please do subscribe and also press the like button at the end if you like the video, and also press the bell icon to get notification whenever I release my next video. So Epic is a big piece of work with a common goal. This is the highest level of requirement we can say. Then feature is a function of the product that delivers value to customer. We can say that it is a smaller functionality comparing to Epic. Then this feature is split into smaller requirements and they are known as user stories. So Epic is at the top, describing the highest level of requirement. Then it is split into smaller features and the features are split into user stories. So story points are units of measure providing an estimate of how much effort is required to implement a product backlog item. A product backlog item is simply a requirement. In simple terms, we can call it as a requirement. So basically, it is a number, right? The story points are basically numbers that will indicate how much effort is required to complete one particular requirement, right? So let us move on to T-shirt size estimation. In T-shirt size estimation, the sizes used are the sizes used in the US, right? It is from extra small to extra large, right? There are 5 sizes: extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large, right? Typically, a lot of project members do a mistake of directly connecting a story point with the number of hours or number of days, which is not right. Story points are used to forecast an effort to complete a task, right? It is a relative estimation. For example, if one story is considered as small and completed in X number of days, when you estimate the next story, what is to be done is to compare this story with the already estimated story and estimated as it is twice bigger than the previously estimated story. For example, there are 2 stories. One is already estimated as small and the next story will take double the effort of the already estimated small story. Then this story will be considered as medium. It will be assigned as medium, right? So it is basically a relative comparison. You have one story and it has taken X number of story points, and next story when you take, you compare the effort with already estimated story and estimated this story based on your previous experience. In T-shirt size estimation, it is recommended that each team assigns some value or range of value of story points to each size. For example, extra small can be 1 story point and small can be 2 to 3 story points. Medium can be 4 to 7 story points and large can be 8 to 12 story points, and anything greater than 12 can be considered as extra large. Generally, when the project begins, small, medium and large, the three sizes are good enough. Extra small and extra large may not be required. And if it is extra large, probably it has to be further sliced into smaller user stories. Whatever is given in the presentation is just an example, because a small story having 2 to 3 story points, right? For example, the same small story may have 2 story points or 4 story points depending on the individual teams, right? They can assign any value as appropriate from their point of view. So basically, we are assigning some X number of story points for a t-shirt size, and we take it as a base, and then we estimate the other stories. If small is 2 to 3, then medium will be 4 to 7. So when the project starts at the epic level, estimation is done to understand the overall effort that will be needed to complete the project. As the project moves forward, features and user stories are estimated. As the team understands more and more and gets more insight, then further refinement happens and re-estimation of user stories do happen, and accordingly they take the project forward. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. Please share your comments. Please let me know whether you want more videos on Agile and Scrum and also on estimation techniques. Please subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and also press the bell icon to get notification whenever I release my next video. This is Sarva signing off. Be happy. Love you all. Bye bye.